Hey, Cole Jensen here with JAS Monitoring, here to talk to you about our Retrofit chiller monitoring kit. Imagine a world for your facility where a critical chiller never fails unexpectedly, where you eliminate expensive, time-wasting emergency service calls, replacing them with preventative repairs planned weeks in advance. Imagine your technician diagnosing problems before you even call. For our food, beverage, and pharma clients, imagine compliance audits passing themselves automatically, guaranteeing zero product spoilage due to temperature failure. This isn't just monitoring, this is operational certainty. Right now, your facility is running blind. Most chillers are working without a voice, silently hiding refrigerant leaks or failing pumps until the moment disaster strikes. When that happens, the cost is immediate. Production halts, inventory spoils, compliance logs are compromised. You're paying skilled teams to waste precious time diagnosing a problem instead of resolving it. You cannot afford to wait for disaster, you need constant verifiable data. Introducing our Retrofit chiller monitoring kit. Each kit includes a gateway and sensors to track critical conditions like supply temperature, energy usage, and compressor vibration. Over time, this data defines what normal looks like, providing a digital log of operating conditions along the way. The system then alerts you at the first sign of trouble, like an abnormally high temperature or unexpected energy spike. This foresight helps your service team identify and fix small issues early before they escalate into a catastrophe. It's like giving your technicians a crystal ball. This is operational certainty made easy. Our non-invasive sensors are designed for a simple DIY installation with zero downtime. It's an affordable OpEx with the cost per chiller being less than one emergency service call, and it's a done-for-you setup. No software or technical setup is required. We configure everything before shipping. And you have our dedicated USA support team ready to assist you at any step. We're so confident this kit will eliminate unplanned downtime and secure your compliance logs that we offer a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. If after 60 days you're unhappy and haven't found useful insights, return it for a full refund with no hassle, zero risk. Chillers will always need repairs, but with our kit, you'll force downtime to fit into your schedule instead of the other way around. Stop handling emergencies, start managing predictability. Claim your 60-day risk-free guarantee today.